looks so luxurious. Just need to finish the edges. And now everything looks neat and beautiful. But who's going to live here? It's Rumi and Genu. Wow, I love gold so much. And I'm all about silver. Mira and Zoe came to visit Rumi. Let's chill and snack out. Great idea, but we've got nowhere to sit. Can you make something? Of course, I've got loads of ideas. There are so many golden sponges here. Adding some hot glue and sticking them together. 2 layers for extra softness. Attaching the backrest, then gluing on the side panels. And voila! A luxurious corner sofa. Now let's make some pillows. I'm wrapping bits of foam and shiny gold fabric. Lying them out on the sofa. I'll place it in the room. This calls for a coffee table too. Have a seat, girls. This couch rocks. And here come the snacks. Whee! It's so soft! And that fabric, so classy. I want a sofa like this too. Thanks, I worked hard on it. Oh, I'm starving. Dig in, girls. Yum, yum, delicious. Uh-oh, too many sweet snacks, girls. Hey, what about me? I'm tired of standing. Don't worry, I've got a sofa for you two. Nice. Super comfy. Hey, man. Congrats on the new place. Hey, guys, grab a seat. Oops, kinda tight in here. Move over, man. You move. Oops. Don't fight. I've got an idea. I'll need some silver fabric for this. Cutting it up with scissors. Here are the pieces I've got. Sewing the petals together and attaching them to the base. Now stuffing them with filler and adding a little loop on top. Ta-da! Awesome beanbag chairs! Thumbs up if you want beanbags like these in your room. These are going straight to Genu's living room. Whoa, so comfy! Here's a flat screen and a new console. Grab your controllers. While you game, I'll hang up some posters. Let's add a light string. Oops, I got tangled. Gotcha. Let me untangle you. Now that's cozy. Wow, this is the coolest living room ever. Perfect spot to chill with friends. Awesome, thanks. What did we get? Wow. You're flying on a gold jet. Wow. Yay! Let's prep the doll for crafting. First, we'll make a cute top. Wow, there's a balloon. I pop it and tear off pieces. Done. Now the shorts. We try them on the doll. Next up, the jacket. I take measurements. And here's the fabric. I cut the pieces. Sew them by hand. Perfect fit! I add sparkly gems. Only the boots left. Silver won't work. I cover them in gold glitter. Final touch, a gorgeous cape. Type I love gold in Rumi if you liked her look. Rumi came back to her friends. Wow, you look absolutely stunning. Rumi is a true star. This cape. And that jacket. Wow! Thanks, girls. How about a mini concert? Oh, my dream came true! Bravo! That was fantastic! And what's happening with Saja? A shiny silver makeover. Oh, why am I still in the same outfit? Feels familiar. I know exactly what to do. Genu, come with me.
Cool!
I draw a pattern on silver jersey. Cut along the outline. Stitch it on the machine. The pants look great. Perfect. Next up is a jacket. It suits Genu so well. Trendy sneakers to match. Subscribe and hit the bell if you liked Genu's look. Guys, I'm back.
Hi!
What's next? I have an idea. Time for a concert.
Yeah! Walking through these crowded halls, everyone's watching, waiting for me to fall. But I got something burning.
Wow, it's Saja Boys! The pilot is a fan too. The cap looks amazing on Genu.
Turn loud, show them what I'm all about. No more holding back today, time to let my body.
Hold on, who's flying the plane? Oh no, I totally forgot. What? Relax, ma'am. It's all under control. The silver journey of Saja Boys continues. For this craft, we take a regular can. It has to be empty. I'll turn it into something cooler. I cover the bottom with sparkly foam, cut out the speakers and glue them on. Place everything on a stand. There's something interesting here. Wow, it's a controller! Paint it silver. Add flourishes. And here's the matching gold one. I place a phone on the stand. Genu is so nervous. The friends are worried. Buddy, what's wrong? Shoo. Oh, got it. Our craft will help. Open your eyes, I have a surprise. A console?
Yeah!
Wow!
Let's check out our DIY. Turn it on. Put it on the stand. Such a cool craft for the dolls. So, ready to lose? Friendship wins. Yay, I won! Congrats. A song to celebrate Rumi's victory. Bravo! Absolutely amazing! A plane? Okay, I place the swimsuit pattern on the gold fabric and trace around it. Here's what I've got. Now I take my small scissors and cut it out. Like this. Then I fold it and stitch it into a swimsuit. Wow, it's gorgeous!
Yay!
Fits perfectly. And I also made you a beach cover-up. Try it on. It's so cute, thank you. Rumi, you look incredible. You two look stunning too. What's happening over there? Hey guys, guess who I am? You look like Santa Claus!
Yeah, we got it. And check out my little hat.
You should see yourself, so funny. Hey, what are you doing here? I'm gonna catch you. What is happening? Party's over, we're landing soon. We're ready. Yay, vacation.
Finally!
Get ready, we're about to land.
Yeah!
Yes! Wait, is that a silver pool?
Move out of the way, I'm jumping.
Ah!
Don't scream like that.
What is this cringe? Unbearable. Yay, the pool! I want to go in too. Don't worry, girls. I have one for you too. I'll take a plate and paint it gold. I'll need gold tape rolls. Let's wrap the edge with a golden ribbon. Now I'm cutting thin strips of golden tinsel and filling our little pool with them. Look how everything sparkles. The pool is ready. Wow, the gold pool looks amazing! I'm going in first! So cool! Zoe, is the water cold? Oh wow, it's so warm. All right, I'm going in. Girls, make some space.
Yay!
Let's take vacation pictures. Let's take a selfie. Say cheese! That was not a good picture. Hey, Genu, come here. We need help. Take a pic of us, please.
Oh, okay, sure. All right, smile. Let's go, you got this. Here you go.
Okay, let's see the photos. Oh no, what is this cringe? Do you guys see that? Delete them right now. We need your help. Take a cute pic of us, please. Of course. Smile. You girls look gorgeous. Whoa, what a ball. Let's turn it into a disco ball. I take silver adhesive foil and cut it into lots of tiny squares. I take one square and stick it onto the ball. You want to glue the foil squares as close as possible so there are no gaps. I'm almost done. Just the finishing touches. And here's our disco ball made out of ball and foil. Glue it onto the shiny silver cord. Wow, that's perfect. Let me show the guys. Look, what's a party without a disco ball?
That is insanely cool.
Here's our DJ deck. And a cool speaker, too.
We're ready to start this party. Yeah!
Chasing the crown.
What? This track is fire. Girls, let's go. The party's not boring anymore. Wow, it's so fun in here. You guys really set it up here.
Our party is getting seriously wild. Yeah!
I want a DJ too. Yes, I'm a superstar DJ. Yay! Go, Rumi! Watch this. Yes! What do you think? You're amazing. We love it. What an awesome party we ended up having.
Totally unforgettable vibes.
That was a legendary vacation. Whose trip did you like more? Drop your vote in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Bye-bye!